Hi, today we're going to see how to create different shapes in GIMP. So first I need to create a new image. So go to File, New. The image width is 1920 and the height is 1080. Press OK. And now press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. And now go to Filters, Render, and here GFig. So as you can see here, the GFig filter created a new layer where we're going to create our shapes here. So there are many shapes here, so you can create here a straight line here. So just left click and then keep the left key down here and then drag. So here it is. Now this is a stroke. So I'm going to create here a rectangle. So left click here and then just drag here with the left key. So here. And now here you can uncheck the stroke icon here. So if you uncheck it, so there's no stroke. So here I'm going to check it. This one is for selecting the color here of the stroke. So let's select the red color, press OK. So here it is. This one is for the brush. So here's the window where you can select the brush for the stroke. So I'm going to keep the hard one here. So let's close it here. And now here you can fill the shape you just created here. So here it is no fill. So left click here. And now let's select the color fill. So here's now it's filled with white. That's why you can't see anything. So left click here to select another color. So I'm going to select the blue color, this one here. Press OK. So here it is. So I'm going to move the window here to the right. So here you can see the shapes. So let's bring it back here since I'm going to create shapes on the right side here. And now let's change the fill value here. Can select also pattern. So you can browse the patterns you have in GIMP. So let's see this one here. And then just click on close. So here it is. And now let's select another fill type. Here it's shape gradient. Now here you can select the gradient you want from your gradient palette here. So let's select this one here, the sky blue here, the blue green, then close. So here it is. This is shape gradient, vertical gradient now. So here it is. As before, you can select the gradient you want. And here for the horizontal gradient. And here, if you check show grid, it will show the grid. And here the snap to guide, the points you are going to create from the shapes are going to snap to the guides here. So I'm going to uncheck them, it's okay. And now let's see the other shapes we can create. So the third one here, we're going to create a circle. Here, it's a perfect circle here. So here it is now to fill. Let's change the fill color. So I'm going to change it to blue and then remove the stroke here. And here the fourth one is the ellipse tool. So here, as you can see, you can create ellipses. So let's say this one here. And now in order to confirm the shapes, just click on close here. And now if you want to create new shapes with the GFig filter, so here, as you can see, if I go to filters, reshow GFig. So as you can see, the GFig filter is going to create new shapes on the layer, the previous layer created. So let's cancel here. So you will need to create a new layer for that. And I'm going to hide this layer here to create new shapes. And now let's create a new layer here. Fill it with transparency and press OK. And now let's go back to the GFig, go to filters and then reshow. So this one is the fifth one here is the arc. So as you can see, create an arc. In order to create an arc, you need 3 points here. So I'm going to create the first one, and here I'm going to create the second one down here. As you can see, it is stroked. And then here's the third one. When you create the third one, it will link it will create an arc, sorry, between the first and the last path here. So here it is. Now if you want, you can just uncheck the stroke and then just select the fill color. I'm going to change the fill color, let's say to red here. So as you can see here, since it's an arc, it doesn't have a fill. So let's select the stroke again, check the stroke. And for this one, it will create polygons. Here you can create triangles since it's 3 sides. So here it is. Let's uncheck the stroke again. Here it is, and now you can increase the number of sides here. So let's select the 10 side polygon here. So here it is. Here's the triangle and the polygon. And now for this one, it will create stars. Same thing as the polygon tool. You need to select the number of sides here. So this one will create 3 sides star. And now I'm going to increase to 5. So here it is. So let's move the window here just to see. So here it is. And for this one, it will create spirals. And here we need to check the stroke here. So here it is. Small problem is, as you can see, it's not smooth. The shapes here are not really smooth with this tool here. And for this one, it's for the Bezier curve. This one will move objects. With these ones, generally it crashed, so I don't want to use them right now. Copy an object, delete an object, select an object, sorry. This one, raise selected objects, lower selected objects, raise selected objects to top, lower selected objects to bottom, and here show previous object, and then show next object, and then here show all objects. So in order to confirm the shapes here, just click on close here. So here I think that's it. That's how you can create shapes in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.